after 1 hour running. It's just like small flood run here. It's very sad, isn't it? It's very bad. Okay, you see the water? Oh wow. Yeah, it's like that small flooding now. Hi, mate. Hello. Have fun. Have fun. Yeah, so this is the section at the moment after 2 hours running this afternoon. But this flood not gonna take long if not running again. Yeah. Dua menit. Okay, from the video you can see how many people around this area. I mean, like how busy this area. Yeah. So on the video you can see some tourists drive around on by motorbike. It's quite busy now with a lot of tourists international come to Bali now. Yeah, you see that one? Also tourists. This is also bule. Yeah, so many bule. Also tourists. Oh my god. Some people they turn back, pick other way. Quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people drive around by motorbike today. Wow, come on, slow it down please. Yeah, it is so busy today. This Bule. Bule, a motorbike, also Bule. Actually just flood until there, not so far. There's few meters of flooding today. Yeah, okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Seminyak area after running for 2 hours. There's little flood, but not gonna take too long. Hi boss! Some people just turn around. They just worry that motorbike get a breakdown with the flood. Hello, how are you? My wife. She's my wife. Just joking. Wow, come on man, slow down please. Okay guys, what do you think about the flood? It looks so fun, isn't it? Because the flood is not so big. Have fun, brother! Minute. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Seminyak area after 2 hour running. It's not so big flood and not take a long time. I mean like maybe like about 2 hours later the water will going down. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.